Have you discussed chest pain symptoms or heart health with your doctor? A new innovative therapy is now available, Bioadaptive Angioplasty, to treat heart disease and restore the natural function of your heart. Your blood vessels are dynamic, pulsing tubes that move blood all over the body. Invented over 30 years ago, rigid stents can limit this natural motion, resulting in the need to repeat heart procedures over time. Today, a new bioadaptive angioplasty procedure is available that uses an innovative implant called DynamX to open arteries and restore natural blood flow. 6 months after the procedure, the DynamX drug coating dissolves, allowing the magic to happen. DynamX unlocks like a zipper and transforms into 3 separate helical strands. Each strand supports and enables the natural pumping action of the arteries, restoring harmonious function. Proven in clinical studies, DynamX prevents re-narrowing of the arteries and maintains increased blood flow over time. Patients treated with DynamX reduce the likelihood of adverse events by 65% in the first 2 years compared to drug-eluting stents. That means fewer heart attacks and repeat procedures. Restore your health. Return to balance. Renew the life you were meant to live with Bioadaptive Angioplasty, a new heart procedure to take control of your health. Talk to your doctor today.